Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to dictate on your Microsoft Word account through Office 365 on Outlook.com. So when I say dictate, so basically you can speak to Microsoft Word and it'll basically type in what you say. So let me show you how you can do this. So first you want to go to your Outlook account, log in using your Outlook account, and once you're in, go ahead and open up Word at the left hand side. This is your Office 365 application. Go ahead and create a new document, and now this will open up Microsoft Word. Now once that opens up, let's go ahead and start the dictate feature. So here on Home, you need to find the dictate feature, which will be just here. This is the microphone icon. If you cannot find it, you can press Alt and apostrophe, and this will basically find you the dictate feature. Go ahead and click on it. Now this will ask you if you want to use the microphone, so go ahead and allow it. And now once it's ready, you can go ahead and click on the microphone and you can start to type everything. Hi, my name is The Simple Dad and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel for new backspace. And now once you're done, go ahead and press stop dictation. This will now stop dictating whatever you say. And there you go guys, that is how to use the dictate feature on your Microsoft Word online on Office 365 using your Outlook account. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.